All right, here comes Jonathan. You want to film again? You want to film? Yeah. All right, Jake, you forgot to film your dad now. I'm going to be coaching him where to go, so.
So it makes like this?
Yep.
Is it already filming?
You have to keep it level. Yeah, it's already filming, so the red light's blinking.
Don't make it too long. Or just make it just straight. Don't make it just down. Aim it down a little bit. I'm not
Show
filming
the video.
Yep, that's good.
Yay.
Yeah, that's your poke of
Achievement.
yeah, appreciation.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hi.
Yeah.
Waterfall.
I am so glad I'm not in that car.
Why not? What's wrong with the car?
Anything I want to do right, and I don't care if Daddy wants like to my face. You think I'm going down that?
Yeah,
Look at the tires, though. Actually, that's kind of cool.
I know.
These are very, very, very special big frame.
Big Frang.
I did a very, 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 very special big frame. Whoa!
Come back and get the board.
Oh,
Now we got to go get the boards.
that.
Sweet!
Oh, yeah, I meant
Oh, you kind of, no, you're good. I was going to say you parked in the puddle, and I think you're okay. That's awesome. It's like it's repelling all of the mud. Muddy water. That was great.
Which part sprayed them so much.
How big? Yeah, that's pretty steep.
It's steep on this side, but not as steep on this side.
Okay, how am I looking?
My opinion, bad.
Look at my driver's side, or passenger side, passenger side. Do I have clearance on the right? I want to go to the right.
Yeah.
I want to go that way as much as possible.
I'm standing in poison ivy.
Don't stand in poison ivy!
I don't want to get run
You
over.
might hit the mirror on this tree, right here.
Okay, well, you'll have to push it in when we get there. How you doing, Amy?
Good.
Very bad.
Okay.
Woo! Slipping and sliding.
Hopefully I was not.
Clear.
Dad,
Hey, look underneath. Am I gonna clear?
Dad,
Calvin, go to the back. There's a rock underneath my truck. I need to know if my diff is gonna clear it.
What?
I need to know if that thing underneath it is gonna clear it. Am I gonna hit it?
No, it'll clear.
It'll clear?
Your hitch. Your
No,
hitch.
not my hitch. The thing that's holding the wheels together. It's called the differential.
No, yeah, it's clear.
It's clear?
Yeah. There you go.
I think I scraped on something.
You scraped the hitch.
Oh, the hitch? Okay.
Yeah.
Ah! You didn't tell me there was a tree over here.
I did it. I'm like, where's the oh. I got water in my shoe. That's nice.
Yeah, there's a big tree over here. All right, here comes Jonathan. Hey, what year's the Land Cruiser again? 03? Yeah, you're good. I think you're a little more narrow than me. All right, going up. You're good. Okay, come. Watch this tree. You got plenty of room. You've got the added advantage of watching my line and seeing what happens to me.
It definitely helps.
Woo. Calvin, come here.
Yeah.
Look,
You scrape? Oh.
that's what I was talking about. You didn't help me. I didn't realize there was a tree on that side. Actually, yes. Would you like some?
Can I hitch a ride across the street?
Absolutely.
I tried to stand on that and I slipped.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I landed on it like this. Okay, let's go. I'm in the bushes.
You're keeping my truck from getting scratched.
You're welcome.
Yeah, I can't see it. Whoa, yeah, that's bad news. Nice. And a rock. Oh, that's beautiful.
Probably like come like over here and so like. Calvin, look at this stick I found.
So I went up that way. I didn't want to come up this way. And now I have to go down here. And I think I can make it through without going up on the left. So I'm going to stay in the water, but I don't want to hit my bumpers.
Turn.
Okay, let's look on both sides, Calvin. Look over there.
Okay, good there.
I don't want to hit.
You're good. Oh, wait. Yeah, you're good.
the tree, you know?
What tree?
Over there.
No, not yet. Wait, stop. Here, keep on coming.
Okay.
You just barely missed that tree. Yeah, like half a centimeter. You want a GoPro?
No, go get me up there from the front.
Speed run. There's Jacob there.
Turn around.
Flip.
Yeah, that was awesome. All right, come here. No, one of them's floating away. All right. To the left. Whoa. Driver. Turn driver. Hey, back up a little bit, and I can load them back in there.
Why'd you turn it on?
And two-wheel drive. Going through the swamp. Trying to kill them. Let me get a little further forward. I want to film you. I put my driver on that, but I need more passenger. The first time I did too much driver. Get your passenger over here. So I think if you put more passenger up there, I think that's where I did better. When I did more driver, I ended up getting getting off two wheels. There you go. That's what I did the second time. Yes, I thought my radio was on. You all are singing. Thank you. I'm so happy you saw that. Did you? This was another little technical bit. He didn't hear me because the kids were hollering and screaming inside. I was like, let me film you before you go up. But this is, this is my leg. So that's a good, somebody did some rocks right here. Luckily we made it up. I had to rock mine, giving me a little momentum, but no damage. There's a big, huge rock and boulder. There's a huge boulder in the front. I think I might have to move it. A lot of the trails. Oh, I'm just hitting the sand. My running board scraped the sand. My running board scraped the top of the sand up here. It's not a big deal. See if I drop off a little. scarier than it looks. Thought I might have to get closer to the drop off on the right side. A whole lot faster on a motorcycle. Yeah. Back up. Okay. I can't believe I did that on my own.
I know. I was like, man, I don't know about this.
I can't. I mean, that one's really. I was like, holy cow! I lucked out on that. So my concern is the center clearance. I don't have any skid plates, so we're gonna see how this goes.
Yeah. I heard a noise, but man, I would have thought that this was a lot higher than that.
You want to try yours with or without the board? Okay. Once you get up there, I'll put them in. Yeah. Yeah, you don't even need that. Go ahead and drop into this. Let's see.
Special style.
Kevin is.
Kevin style.
Just go slow.
Kevin with the C.
Yeah, that's a quarter up your tire. You're good. Oh! Oh! All right, so we did it. Stock Ram. It is the one with the suspension, the air suspension. I put it on off-roading 2. So I got me a souvenir there, but no damage. We scraped the running board one time. It's a little dirty, obviously, but we did some major stuff. I still kept my trailer hitch on, and it scraped once or twice. But the only scrape was underneath, was right here. But everything's in tip-top shape. Nothing scraped on the cross member or anything. I was really impressed. The Land Cruiser, you ever lift? Like a one, how much?
2 inch.
2-inch lift on this one. It did really well. And the tires oversized? 33s. So he did awesome. No issues. Definitely a tighter turning radius and better departure angles than I've got. Obviously, mine's not designed for this, but we had a great time. Hurricane Creek and in North Carolina. You kids have fun?
Yeah, we talked about King Kong versus Godzilla.
We talked about how he was like a rather big monkey and the Godzilla's like a...
The whole trail, that's what you did?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Let's talk about
Emily, did you have fun? She got a little scared in some spots, but we had fun. All right, we'll catch you later.